Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy dragon fruit smoothie, which is very tasty and good for your health. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
Dragon fruits come in two varieties. One has red flesh and other one has white flesh. It has such an unusual shape with scales like a dragon's. I'm going to use banana and some blueberries in my smoothie. I'm using 2% organic milk, but you may use whole milk if you want. Organic yogurt and jaggery sugar. You may substitute the jaggery with your favorite kind of sweetener such as sugar, maple syrup or honey. Cardamom powder, this is optional. The next ingredient I'm using is chia seeds. It's loaded with antioxidants. Some saffron threads. This is only for garnishing, but you don't have to. These are all the ingredients. And of course you need something to serve it in. Let's get started. Cut it into 2 pieces. I like the color, very bright red. It has a lot of health benefits in it. High in nutrients, loaded with fiber, strengthens immune system, good source of magnesium, rich in antioxidants. It's very easy to cut the fruit and then peel the skin off. It feels like leather. The skin is not edible. I add it to my compost. Dragon fruits are cactus and they originated in Central America. It's a gorgeous fruit. Do you want to taste it, Tristan?
My son wants to taste it. What do you think?
Tastes like a kiwi and a banana.
Tastes like kiwi and banana is telling.
Cut into small pieces. Cut your banana. I'm going to add just half a banana. My little one wants to help, but be careful. Let them use a knife under your supervision. In a food processor, add dragon fruit. I'm not going to use all the dragon fruit, just 3/4 of it, and half a banana. Add blueberries. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. I don't want to add too much because I don't want to cover the flavor of the dragon fruit. Add milk into it. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt. I love this jaggery sugar, very pure. Jaggery is much healthier than brown sugar. Adjust your taste. Now add chia seeds. Chia seeds are very healthy. I love chia seeds on my smoothies. I'm adding just 2.5 teaspoons. And some ice cubes. More milk. I've already added 1 cup. Cover it and blend it on high speed until they are well incorporated. Look gorgeous. This is perfect for morning breakfast. Garnish it with some ground cardamom. This is completely optional, but I love the flavor of cardamom. Add some saffron. This is also optional. You don't have to. If you want, you may add some chia seeds on the top. My delicious dragon fruit smoothie is ready to serve. This jar is very convenient for carrying around, plus it really shows off the beautiful color of the smoothie.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye.